So you're going to notice that there's going to be some changes. There's 3 videos on that were on my YouTube vlog thing that really looked and sounded like crap. So what I did is I went out today and I bought a flip camera, which seems to be doing the trick. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be deleting those other ones because they do look like crap. But suffice to say that everybody knows what's going on. My weight loss beard is looking lovely, as you can tell. I can't grow a beard to save my life, which I've said a million times, but it is disgusting. So I'm growing the beard until I hit my goal of 195 pounds or my wife's birthday, which is May 18th, whichever comes first. Everybody thinks I'm crazy, but I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm definitely going to do that. Try to keep it clean, but I'm not shaving it or getting a haircut for the length of time it takes me to get to my goal. So I'm going to be throwing up more hints, more tips, more advice, more great stuff on here, so stay tuned. What's for supper, you might ask? Well, have a look-see right here. It's pita pizza night. So as I mentioned before, pita pizza, they are a staple in my nutrition plan because it's absolutely delish. The hamburger is grass-fed beef or something, and the cheese is no-fat mozzarella cheese. There's mushrooms, there's onions, and there's whole wheat tortillas, which are low glycemic and low in sugar and they're just great. There's hardly any fat in them at all. There is a little bit of ketchup again for taste and flavor, and oh yummy, am I ever going to love that. Because and then in a little while I got the D-Dog, special appearance by D-Dog, Darren Atkinson, coming over for our workout. So we're going to go downstairs and have a little workout, and that'll be good for Friday. You're done. And she's eating her apple.
Yeah, but that apple hasn't even been washed.
Jaden, is that a good apple? She's right into it.
First she eats a washed apple.
What's that?
An apple.
That's an apple, that's right. That's an apple. Do you love apples? Yeah, Jaden loves. Here's Mama making a protein drink. A world famous protein drink. It's got, what do you got in that thing? Banana, blueberries, soy milk, organic orange juice. Do you put protein powder?
Nope.
I do. I put protein powder. Blend that baby up. She put some flaxseed, some no-fat organic yogurt, crushed flaxseed. Fiber a la galore.
Is avocado.
Stay tuned. Lots more to come. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.